how to fix live option missing on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok live option missing problem. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with a fix number one, that is to check your account eligibility. So the live features is only available if you are 13 years or older than that and you need to have at least 1000 followers. So here, if you don't meet these requirements, the live options won't appear. And with that, moving forward to the fix number two, that is to update the TikTok app. So what you need to do is simply open the playlist store, and after that, you can simply search for the TikTok app, and there, if you found any update button, then simply tap on update to update it to the latest version, because an outdated app can cause the missing feature. And with that, moving forward to the fix number three, that is to clear the TikTok cache. So here what you can do is simply open the TikTok app, and after that you can simply go to the profile section, and from there you can simply tap on the three dash icon in the top right corner, and from there you can simply tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, and after that you can simply scroll down, and there you can simply tap on free up space, and from there you can simply tap on clear cache to clear your cache, and after that you can simply restart TikTok after clearing it. And with that, moving forward to the fix number four, that is to check account type. So some accounts like child accounts or restricted accounts cannot go live. So there, make sure that your account is a regular personal account. And with that, moving forward to the fix number five, that is to log out and log back in. So sometimes a simple log out and log in can refresh your account and restore the missing live option. And with that, moving forward to the fix number six, that is to contact the TikTok support. So here, if none of the steps above worked for you, then what you can do is simply go to the settings, and from there you can simply go to the help center and see for your problem, or you can directly report a problem and submit a report to a TikTok support. And that's it. That's how you can fix the live option missing on TikTok. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.